Well, guys, I tried with all my might to get this truck to run. I think there's something wrong with the ECU. I do not have a injection pulse coming from the ECU. No matter what I've tried, changed the distributor, checked all the connections, checked all the grounds I could find. I cannot find any reason why there's not a negative ground pulse coming from the ECU to the TBI injectors. And I wanted to share this video of me running it using a harness that I made that just goes to the battery ground and then V's off into the left and the right injector ground, and then I can cycle it back and forth on the battery between grounded and not grounded, which does fire the injectors. The engine wants to run. It wants so much to run. And I do not know why it will not run. And I think that because of the high, there's a lot of mice in the, that were in the truck. It sat for a long time. And I think that that is the problem. I think there's a harness that's damaged in there. So I did go ahead and order the carb swap setup, and we will be carb swapping this thing on the channel, and it will be ready to run in not that long a time, but I wanted to give a little bit of status update on the square body. Thank you all. Take care. Bye.